Hello, and welcome to our demonstration of MemoBase Voice. In this video, I will use our demo app to show you how easy it is to teach MemoBase to recognize your voice, and then use the system for logging in and issuing secure commands using your voice only. Let's go ahead and start the app. As you can see, we have included several use cases in our demo. Depending on which scenario I choose here, the app will load a suitable set of voice commands. Let's try voice-powered cars. MemoBase Voice has several modes of operation, and we will go through them all here. First out is Speaker ID login. In this mode, the user can log in securely by saying 3 words. Before using Speaker ID the first time, the user needs to teach MemoBase Voice to recognize these 3 words. I'll show you how quickly it's done. I'll use my birth date as my 3 Speaker ID words. The words don't need to be kept a secret, as it is the sound of my voice that authenticates me. So here we go. 1908 71. Okay, that's all there is to it. MemoBase Voice will now recognize me when I speak these 3 words. Let's exit learning mode and try a Speaker ID login. When logging in, I can say all 3 words in a row instead of separately. 1908 71. And as you can see, I was successfully recognized. I can try saying 3 other words just to demonstrate that although it's the sound of my voice that authenticates me, Speaker ID also requires me to say the correct words. Pineapple, orange, watermelon. Speaker ID failed. Okay, so back to the menu screen. MemoBase Voice offers another way to perform a voice login: Free Speech Speaker ID. In this mode, the system focuses only on the sound of my voice and doesn't care at all what I say. We use this to automatically authenticate the user in the background while he or she is having a conversation with a person, or maybe a chat robot. First, let's give MemoBase a longer sample of my voice to work with. I'll just read what it says here on the screen. Here we go. Teach MemoBase Voice to recognize you by recording a few seconds of speech. Okay, so now the system needs a few seconds to process this sample, but in just a little while we should get the message here that I got you. So now we should be ready to try a free speech speaker ID. I'll now say something entirely different that MemoBase has never heard me saying, to demonstrate that it still recognizes me by the sound of my voice only. Hi there, MemoBase. You know me, don't you? You can let me in now. Yeah, so that went well. Okay, the last mode to demonstrate is voice commands. Here, MemoBase combines its ability to recognize what the user is saying with its powerful authentication algorithm to recognize who is speaking. In this demo, voice commands consists of 3 command words: which can be combined in different ways to create meaningful requests. We see here some words related to the voice-powered car scenario, and teaching the words is just as quick and easy as you've seen before. Let's teach MemoBase a few of the words. Open, start, drivers. Yeah, so you can see that teaching the system all the words needed for a specific use case probably takes less than a minute. Finally, let's try out a couple of voice commands. Open driver's door. Start the engine. And off we go. So that concludes our demonstration. See you in another demo.